All right guys, Kane from Garage 11, and we're going to start bringing you some small tips, tricks and advice that we find and anything interesting that we might have for you guys as we're working on different projects and things like that. So the first one we're going to talk about is hydroblasting complete engines. Now, we don't recommend it, as there's no way you can guarantee that nothing's going to get in there. You can seal them up as well as you possibly think, and it wouldn't take much for something to get past one of those seals and go into your engine, and then all of a sudden your engine's blowing up. You could get hurt, worst case scenario, or it's going to cost you money to rebuild your engine. We always recommend pulling the engines apart, pulling all the bearings out of them, doing the hydroblasting process whilst you're restoring it. I know that's not always the case, and it adds a little bit more of a cost to it, which is understandable. If you're fully aware and understanding of what the ramifications could be, then, like I said, it's a grey area, but you can do it. It's definitely possible. As you can see, this is an example of trying to seal up an engine, and there's still areas where it's leaking, which means it's not sealed. If you're pulling an engine out and you're hydroblasting it to make it look good to sell it, that's no good. You're then, like, whoever's doing it is then passing that problem on to someone else, and they could get hurt if that a 4-stroke or a 2-stroke locks up on the face of a jump or whatever. That's bad. So yeah, there's definitely areas where you can do it. We highly recommend not doing it. But yeah, I just thought it'd be something interesting to touch on, because I've seen a few different examples of people doing it recently. So that's just our opinion as well. Do what you want to do. But like I said, the hydroblasting gives you a fantastic finish, and it is a great procedure and an amazing, get amazing results from it when you do your restorations. Just be mindful when you're trying to do engines complete. 2-stroke, it's not that hard to pull them apart or get someone to pull them apart and get them to rebuild it. 4-strokes, obviously there is a little bit more cost involved there. So yeah, just thought we'd bring you that little bit of advice. Let us know if there's anything else that we do or you've seen us do that you'd like to know a little bit more on. We'd be more than happy to put little videos together for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. We're trying to bring you a lot more interesting content and a lot more stuff from what we've got going on here. So cool. Thanks guys. Stay tuned. Thank you very much.